So you might be wondering, would you benefit from a living trust? Well, here's the people who would benefit from a living trust. First, we have parents who have young children and they want to make sure they provide for their futures. See, if you have young children, you don't want to be in a situation where you pass away and then an estate is opened up and the probate court is deciding who is going to look after your children and who is going to look after your finances for your children. You see, you could make that decision yourself and make sure that your children are protected. The next group of people are people with beneficiaries that have difficulty managing properties or unable to manage assets well. You know, if you have a special needs child or somebody who's disabled or on disability, they might not be able to manage their funds. And in those situations, a trust would be beneficial because you could designate somebody as the trustee to look after the funds and to manage the assets from your loved ones. Third, people who own property that is very hard to decide to divide. So if you have businesses, um, farms, um, LLCs, right? Some sort of income producing asset, it would be very beneficial for you to put it in a trust to protect for your loved ones. Fourth, anyone who wants to have control of their property after they pass away. And if you are someone who is interested in having control over how your assets are distributed after you pass away, then a trust is right for you. And if you're concerned with generational wealth, right, you want to be able to pass down asset after asset after asset for your family, then a living trust is right for you.